Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is square root of 6 minus square root of 6 plus x is equal to x, to find the values of x. In the first step, we start by letting square root of x plus 6, this is equal to y. So, if we square both sides of this equation, in here it will be x plus 6 is equal to y square, right? This 2 power of 2, this squared will cancel, and this 2 power of 2, it will be y square. So in here, y square is equal to 6 plus x. And if we substitute this in this equation, it will be square root of 6 minus, this is y, right? 6 minus y is equal to x, and if we square both sides of this equation, it will be 6 minus y is equal to x squared, right? And next step, we subtract these two equations, and it will be in here y squared minus x squared. It will be y squared is x plus 6 and minus x squared is 6 minus y, and it will be y squared minus x squared is equal to x plus 6 minus 6 plus y, right? This negative times 6 it will be negative 6, and negative times negative, it will be positive y. And from here, this will cancel this, and it will be y squared minus x squared is equal to x plus y. And next step, we take this to this side, and it will be y squared minus x squared and minus x plus y is equal to 0. And here we have y squared minus x squared, and this is in the form of y minus x times y plus x, and minus this x plus y or y plus x, right, is equal to 0. And here we factor y plus x, and it will be y plus x times, for this part we have y minus x, and for this part we have negative 1 is equal to 0. So we have y plus x times y minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. And from here, in here we have x, and in here we have a square root, right? So this side, in here we have a square root, this side is positive, so in here x should be a positive, right? So x is a positive. And here we have a square root, right? A square root, so this side is positive, so y is positive, right? So x and y is a positive, so this y plus x is positive, and this is cannot be equal to 0, so only this part can be a 0, right? So y minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, and from here y is equal to, we take this and this to this side, it will be x plus 1. So y is equal to x plus 1, and in here we have 6 minus y is equal to x squared, right? So we write 6 minus y, and we can write y in here as x plus 1. So 6 minus y, 6 minus x plus 1 is equal to x squared. And it will be 6 minus x minus 1, it will be x squared. And from here, x squared, we take this to this side, plus x. 6 minus 1 is 5, and we take to this side, it will be negative 5 is equal to 0. And in next step, for this equation, we use quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus sort of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from here, a is coefficient of x square is 1, b is coefficient of x is 1, and c is constant is negative 5. So x is equal to negative b, negative 1 plus or minus sort of b square, 1 square is 1, minus 4 times a is 1, and times negative 5 over 2a is 2. And it will be x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus a sort of 1 in here, negative times negative, it will be positive, and 4 times 1 times 5, it will be 20 over 2, and it will be negative 1 plus or minus sort of 21 over 2. So we have two values for x. x1 is equal to negative 1 plus square root of 21 over 2, and x2 is negative 1 minus square root of 21 over 2. But from here, we find that x is a positive. So this negative 1 minus negative 21 is a negative, so we reject this answer, and this is our final answer for x. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.